YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you to hide and show file extensions on Windows November 10th by File Explorer. What are file extensions? File extensions are file types like audio files, video files, Word files, and Excel files. The audio file will only run on compatible audio software, as a video file will only run with video-compatible software. Hide and show file extensions on Windows 11 and 10 via File Explorer. Follow the below given steps to hide or show file extensions via File Explorer. Press Windows +E keys to open File Explorer. Click View in the menu when File Explorer opens. Select Show from the drop-down list. Tick or untick File Name Extensions option. It will hide or show file extensions on Windows 11 10's PC. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Press bell icon to get latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. Thanks for watching.